Hi, thank you so much for purchasing the heartbeat audio for all avatars from my Booth webshop. This is fairly simple to set up. First, you import the package that you just purchased. So go right ahead and go into import package. You'll see this screen right here. You'll hit import. After it's done importing, you will go to the folder that it created called Byakko Media Heartbeat Audio. Now, before you set up, there's a couple things that you have to do first. If you click on the audio file, it will open some information on the right side of your screen. Make sure that the load in background is turned on. Recently, there was a new update in VR chat that requires all audio to be loaded in the background to save on VRAM. Make sure you check the box and hit apply. After you've done that, just drag and drop the prefab called Heartbeat into your Unity project, like so. Now, make sure you have the Gizmos tab turned on. It should be grayed like this. If it is not grayed out like this, you can no longer see the radius of the audio, so it is very important for you to click on this Gizmos tab. Once you click on that, the best way to do it is to change your view sideways of your avatar. Maybe zoom out a little bit. Next up, you want to drag the heartbeat audio on top of your avatar. Drag and drop, just like this. Once you've done that, the heartbeat audio is now on your avatar, but it's not inside any of your bones yet. You want to make sure that you put the audio on your chest bone. So go right ahead and open your armature, open your hips, open your spine, and go to the chest. This is where you drag and drop the heartbeat audio. As you can see, I already had the heartbeat audio on my avatar, but this is what you have to do. Now, for the final step that you have to do, because your avatar is probably not the same size as my avatar, you got to make sure that you have a good reference point. So if you go into here called the move tool, you can now move the audio up and sideways. I included a reference picture in the Unity package file. This is very useful and save you a lot of times. You want to aim exactly for this sphere. This makes it so that people can actually lay their head on your chest and hear the heartbeat audio. If you make it any bigger than this, people will hear the heartbeat audio from places where they shouldn't be hearing it. If you do it too high, you're going to constantly hear the heartbeat yourself all the time. You don't want to do that either. So you want to make sure that you follow this reference as you scale the orb to your avatar. Once you feel like it's the same as the reference picture, you're now all done, and you can just upload your avatar right away. After you set up your heartbeat audio and you want to test it, it is very easy to test it. All you go is to go into play mode. You want to grab your camera, very important, and you want to move your camera closer to your avatar until it's in the range of that orb. A great way to do this is by clicking on the heartbeat audio, and you click on this little lock item over here in the corner. It's very small, sometimes hard to see, but click on the lock item. Now this will stay like this. Then when you click on the camera, you can move it till here until you start hearing a heartbeat. The heartbeat will lower in volume as people get away from it. This is called fallback audio. Just like that. So make sure you use the reference picture to set up the exact orb as you would like it to be. Thank you so much for purchasing the heartbeat audio. Please enjoy, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.